In the previous, you can see that there is a square method. You can form a square, you can form a 4 vertically, you can form a 4 by corner, you can form a 4 by horizontally. Like we have overlapping of chords and pairs. We have a chord 1, that is a 4 2 chords. We have a 1, that is a 1 1 1. We have a 2 and 1 is your pair. So you will get a simplification, that is a y equals to bc plus bd plus a bar bc. So you have to do the simplification. First you have to do the 4. So you have to consider this 4 chord 1. So what will get output for this chord 1, then for the chord 2, and then you have to attach with the chord 1, chord 2 and pair, and what will be eliminated. On that basis you will get a bc plus bd plus a bar bc. So this is the overlapping method for chords and pairs. Next is for your grouping 8 adjacent ones. Grouping 8 adjacent ones means it is possible to form a group of 8 adjacent. Such group is called as an octet. Here you can see that in the example we have a group of 8. You can see that the 1 1 total there is 8. Okay, fine. So now you have to do like that. Y equals to a bar b bar c bar d bar plus a bar b bar c bar d plus a bar b bar c d plus a bar b bar c d bar. Again you have to equation like the plus. So now you will get an equation like that. Again you have to do the plus a bar b c bar d. So you will create a total 8 equation simplification. Now we have to eliminate something. When an octet is formed, 3 variables will be changed and only one will remain same in all mean terms. When octet, the 3 variables will change and one variable is always same in the mean term. So now you can see that the equation. So which 3 variable are same, that is a bar, b bar and c bar. So d plus d bar. So you have a d plus d bar, that means your what will we get output. So on that basis you have to do the things. So a bar, b bar, c bar is common in 3 of these, 2 of these. So d plus d bar are, then a bar, b bar and c. So d plus d bar. So then again you have to make a equation like that. Then you will get a bar, b bar, c bar plus c, a bar, b, c bar plus c. So now you will get a bar, b bar plus b equals to a bar. Okay, so now your final y is your a bar. Okay, so you will get a bar. So there is a total 8 octet, right? 8 addition 1, so you will get a value a bar. So you have to solve this equation like that. You can see that you have to use some laws and you have to solve this equation. So this is some method for grouping 8 adjacent. You have to use this method. Using this method you can also do the grouping. You can do like that. Also you can group the 8 ones. You can see like you can use this like. So y equals to your c, a, b, d and are eliminated. You can grouping like this also. This 4 1, this 4 ones. This is horizontal, this is vertically ones, the corner ones. Okay, this is top to bottom and this is from right to left. Here the ACD are eliminated and octet B as represented. If you turn the right and left one octet, you will A, B, C are eliminated and your output will be D bar. Okay, so this is another method of grouping the 8 adjacents. Next you have summary rules follow for K-map simplification. Groups 1. Group may not conclude any cell containing a 0. Okay. अगर 0 और 1 होगा तो that is you are wrong. अगर 1 1 होगा that means you are right. अगर सेल में कोई 0 है और 1 है एंड यू आर डूइंग दैट ग्रुप, दैट इज रॉन्ग. द राइट वन इज योर 1 1. Groups may be horizontally or vertically, may not, but not diagonal. Okay. First rule is that it can be 0, it cannot be 0 or 1, it can be 1 1 only. Second is group may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal, not like that. This is your wrong. It can be a horizontal or a vertical, not a diagonal. You can see this. Give you some time to see this. Third, group must contain 1, 2, 4, 8 or in general 2 raised to n cells. Identify the largest possible group first. That if n equals to 1, a group will contain the 2. So 2 raised to 1 equals to 2. If n equals to 2, then the 2 raised to 2 equals to 4. That means 1, 2, 4, 8. Not if there is a 3, it's a wrong. Group of 5, it's a wrong. You can see that. Group of 2 is fine. Group of 4 is fine. If you are doing group of 3, it's wrong. Group of 5, it's wrong. You have to do the 2 raised to n. That means 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 6. It's like that. Okay. So that's fine. You can do the 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 group of. So this is a right way of grouping. So you can see this. I will give you time. Next is here, each group should be as large as possible. As large means if you have a 4, as large means if you have 4 ones, then you are making the pair of 2, pair of 2. No Boolean laws broken but not sufficiently minimal. This not done. So you have to make a larger, this 4 and this 4. Fifth, each cell containing a 1 must be at least one group. Each cell containing means at least they can be contained. That means like this group 1, this group 2, at least one group. Every cell contain at least one group. You can see like that also, this one and this one. Otherwise you can contain this one. Cannot be this one. At least this 4 one. At least contain a one group. हर एक सेल एटलीस्ट वन ग्रुप कंटेन करना चाहिए. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू राइट एटलीस्ट लार्जेस्ट एज पॉसिबल करना चाहिए. सो दिस इज अ वे ऑफ अनदर वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग. सो दिस इज सम रूल दैट आर समराइज इन के मैप की राइट कौन से है और रॉन्ग कौन से है. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन प्रीवियसली अंडरस्टैंड. ओके ओके, ग्रुप ऑफ 2 4 हो सकते हैं, 3 5 नहीं हो सकते. देन लार्जेस्ट पॉसिबल ग्रुप है तो करो, 2 2 पेयर्स के ग्रुप मत करो. सो अगर बुलियन लॉज नहीं अप्लाई होंगे तो इट विल गेट अ रॉन्ग रिजल्ट. एटलीस्ट एक सेल में एक ग्रुप होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ ग्रुप 1 एंड दिस इज अ ग्रुप 2. सो 1 प्रेजेंट इन एटलीस्ट वन ग्रुप. यू कैन सी दिस. नेक्स्ट, ग्रुप्स में ओवरलैप लाइक दैट, दिस 4 and this 4. It's groups not overlapping. This and this are not. It's a wrong. It's not overlapping. Okay. So for groups overlapping is right. Groups may overlap. This is a wrong. You can see these groups overlapping. This is a right equation and this is a wrong equation. Next, groups may wrap around the table. The leftmost cell in a row may be grouped with the rightmost cell and the top cell in a column may be grouped with the bottom cell. So this is a right one. You can see here. This is a leftmost cell, this is a rightmost cell, this is fine. This is a top cell, this is a bottom cell, this is fine. And for the corner cells also fine. So we'll get this one. The 8, there should as few groups as possible as long as does not contradict any of the previous rule. Small groups are not allowed pairs, so you can do like this. 9. A pair eliminates one variable. A quad eliminates two variables from the simplified logic. An octet eliminates three visits. As I show you, pair one variable delete करता है, quad two variable delete करता है, and octet three variable को delete करता है. You can see here. You can see here.